Well, once you put in there your credential or you did the registration, he's going to send you to this menu. And over here you can go to the information personal. You can see over here all about the patient, the name, the last name, first name, you know. Well, now you can take over here is a picture, for example, the ID or something like that. And then you come in over here and you can see the consent of the patient. You know, when do you feel all the information over here in the personal patient over here. You put in over here the first name, the last name, right? And you can over here you select the language. Then with that information, you can come into the consents, and then the consent coming in the language where you select in the personal information, and the system fill all the information inside the document or inside the consent, and then you can sign here in the same platform. You know, well, this is the patient version.